I was looking at this other article and I found out within there are many people who graduate, but not so many people get jobs. It's a sad reality, but I think it's mainly because abantu lama degree laws focus actually paper. But I don't think what's having a paper matters if you don't have skills or if you can apply it, if you cannot apply it. So I want to just speak directly to every student with him. We need to face on the if we are doing degree, especially into a major, try your best to understand it because abantu abahambayo they can do PGCE but still bangawutholi umsebenzi. But laba abayibhalela bodwa ama-initiative wabo they're able to get some. Now for example when I started this brand when I was young, but it's already a business itself. Yeah, man, you're in business without you realizing. But I'm just trying to say with it. I think starting your own thing at this time is very important. Since I'm able to escape the mental slavery of cramming, passing, and forgetting. Ukrema umnandi uzokrema upase kube mnandi. Yes, you can pass definitely. Maybe with distinctions, but upasa wakho kuyize because you can get the paper degree, but still not be able to do anything. I'm sure if you've got brothers and sisters who once went to university, you know with you, unemployment is a serious thing. Especially at BSc. BSc most of the time they call it a useless degree because they are not direct employment. It's because they are focused too much on theory. So please guys, let's just try to practicalize this window because South Africa is a developing country. So there are many opportunities that you can get into now. People are in computer science, they can do many things if they have the skill on how to code. We should be having our own apps like Yuzu. We should be having our own systems like Yuzu. We should be having our own things within the varsity. There are people who have got expertise land. But if you focus on the theory, you're still going to cram what you're going to do today. You're going to write it, you're going to pass it. But trust me, it's going to catch up with you at some point. So let's try to escape that mental enslavement. So our initiatives, Manning, that we are creating currently to try and develop the University of Zululand, including our projects, especially our computer science. We are starting projects to try and make women to apply theirs so that they can do something with life. Even if you don't get a job, alright, most of the time. So when you say it's not the man, definitely. It's obvious, that's why you put me right there. And luckily, the Lord blessed me with one thing. I'm able to take my ideas and turn them into businesses and turn them into income generating streams. So please try to not underestimate my ideas on now. And best of all, try to get at least a skill one. So that if you don't get a job, you have something to do. And potentially, since South Africa, it's what it's a developing country. So it's up to you. I just wanted to do this 5-minute speech to let you know what I'm graduate. Yeah. Just face the reality so that you don't have to face it the hard way. So let's face exam because this is a tertiary level institution. That's where our brilliant minds should be found. That's where our future leaders should come from. Leaders, people in business, private entities, people in industry and they come from our institutions. But if you are doing the cramming mentality and you are not willing to ignite the real potential online, then it's just going to be wasted. So yeah, thank you guys for 7 Sana for Kunyaga, and I hope we are working towards when the home in the future. So as we close, may I please start with a prayer so that we can start our session for today. Siyabonga Baba, siyabonga Mungu, siyabonga Nkulunkulu, nethuba esiphelele naNkulunkulu asibona namhlanje. Siyabonga amandla kaNkulunkulu, siyabonga
umoya wakho ube nathi. Cela Nkosi njengoba sesivala uNkulunkulu kulo nyaka baba lokuthi uNkulunkulu umuntu wonke uphile Nkosi. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu wasekomunye unyaka Nkosi sibe namandla Nkosi sibe ne-strategy baba. Usukhanya kithi Nkosi usikhumbuze baba ukuthi baba sibhekile ukukhanya Nkosi. Singembathi ukwesaba Nkosi ngoba kuyasivalela uNkulunkulu ukukhanya kwethu. Namhlanje Nkosi sikhanyisa uNkulunkulu ukukhanya kithi Nkosi sibona baba. Bonakala uNkulunkulu ukuthi singane zakho uNkulunkulu. Usiphile sonke ngamunye ngamunye sengathisile baba. Kodwa uNkulunkulu uzolenza ukuthi Nkosi singaboni lokho baba. Ukwesaba. Sakhoshimanga namathathu namhlanje baba sikhanyisa wakho umoya. Moya ongcwele ube nathi wasesobhala nasasa sisiqhubeka. Ukuthi omunye nomunye athola uNkulunkulu asebenze ngokutshala lapho ezweni. Namhlanje baba siyakhanyisa.
All right, yeah. Let's do the business of the day.